Looking for space, flexibility, and breathtaking water views? Welcome to 704 West Rio Grande Avenue, a rare residential gem with a Wildwood mailing address located in Lower Township, just over the bridge from all the action. This stunning shore home offers 7 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 3,000 square feet of living space. It's perfect for whether you're looking for a primary residence, a spacious vacation home, or income-producing rental property. Inside, the open floor plan and multiple levels, multiple decks provide room for everyone, while thoughtful design lets in plenty of natural light. With ample space and privacy, this home is ready to meet your needs, whatever they may be. I'm Matthew Haviland, Senior Real Estate Specialist at Keller Realty with 20 years of experience helping families and investors throughout South Jersey. I'm here to guide you every step of the way with integrity, creativity, and total commitment. So if you're thinking about buying or selling at the shore, let's connect. You can visit promptagents.com/YouTube or just call me. This home features multiple decks with incredible panoramic water views. It's ideal for soaking up sunsets, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing in your own private retreat. Just minutes from the Wildwood, free beaches, boardwalk, and attractions. You're close to the fun, yet far enough to enjoy peace and privacy in a quiet residential setting with Lower Township taxes. We're starting off the tour today up on the top level. This is the 3rd floor, and the thing that really makes this home special is you are on the water right here on pilings. And as you see over here, we've got the waterway here just over the water, and the bridge is Wildwood. Incredible water views really from almost every room in the house, so you can see the water. We have multiple decks to enjoy the outside, get some sunshine. And then if you want some entertainment, you can go right over the bridge into Wildwood. So up here on the 3rd floor, this is an awesome space. You have a little bit of a living area right down here, a couple steps down this area, just a great space to hang out. You want to watch a movie, relax, use this as guest area if you need to. There's closet space up here, plenty of room on both sides here. And there's also a half bathroom right here. So great space up here. Let's go down to the floor number 2 and check that area out. All right, so now we're on the 2nd floor, and this is the main living area of the house. We have this kitchen here. The floors are absolutely beautiful through the house. A lot of beautiful trim, floors, woodworking all through the house. And as you step out here, we have a deck right here on this level, right on the 2nd floor. Amazing views there. There's an even bigger deck down below. I'll show you that in a moment. And then this is a eat-in kitchen area here. As you walk around, this is the main living room as well. So we've got a living room here, cathedral ceilings in the living room, and then we also have a deck here off of the living room. Okay, so also on this 2nd level here, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This being the front bedroom here. We have a private deck here right off of these front 2 bedrooms. We also have a dining room right here. I didn't show you that yet. We got the dining room, and then following me this way, we'll head right across this hallway here. We have another 2 bedrooms and another full bathroom here. There's also a full bathroom right off the kitchen. Now down on the 1st floor, this is the main entry door here, double doors going right inside. You have this beautiful wooden staircase going up to the 2nd floor. 2 bedrooms off of each side here at the front of the house. I was told by the owner that this was originally a general store. So if you can imagine, this may have been the door coming into the general store here. The bridge was right across at this street, going right across into Wildwood before the new bridge was built. So this was actually the street where everybody going into Wildwood would have come right by this property, and this at one time was a general store. So pretty neat history here. So down on this 1st floor level, one of the nice features about this, you do actually have 3 or possibly 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms right here on the 1st level. And you have this awesome recreation area here. We've got the foosball table set up. The slider door goes right out to the deck from here. You also have this beautiful built-in bar area. We've got the wine cooler, the wet bar here. So it's just a really nice setup here to be enjoying some fun here while you're at the shore. So I want to show you one of the other bedrooms back here on this level. We have a bedroom here, and then off of this is another room, which could be used as a bedroom, or maybe as a nursery or something like that. If you have guests coming over, they need that little extra space. So a lot of options for bedrooms and sleeping areas in this house. All right, so the big question is, how many decks does this house actually have? So we've got 3 decks on the front side of the house, 2 decks on this side, and I've got to count over on the other side, but there's at least 1 more over there, and plus the one up top on the roof. So yeah, a lot of decks, a lot of outdoor space. We're up on the 2nd floor now. This is the deck space here. You can see beyond me there is a marina, and incredible water views really everywhere you go in this house. Now we're on the first floor deck, and this one is huge. It's massive. So if you're having entertainment, you're having a party, you can come out here. This is directly off of the entertainment area there on the first floor. You've got built-in benches and incredible water views. You're right here on the marshland. Got some bird activity behind us there, but beautiful views here from Wildwood. So one of the important factors to consider, you're looking for a shore house, is parking. And this house here, we have parking. You could probably get 4 cars if you backed them in here, right in this parking area. So you have room for 4 cars here at the side of the house, which is great, because parking is at a premium in this area. So one of the unique features of this home is that all of these homes next door are actually on this boardwalk area. So all of these homes are on pilings, including much of this house is actually on pilings, and I'll show you that in a moment. Now we're at the back of the house. You can see that side deck right there. So again, you got decks everywhere, awesome views throughout, and a really peaceful setting. It really feels like you're kind of in a fishing village over here. Really neat vibe and great atmosphere here. So whether you're searching for your forever home or a seasonal getaway or a smart investment, 704 West Rio Grande Avenue checks every box. Wildwood has so much entertainment and dining options, and Atlantic City is just north of us, has some amazing dining options also. So you can watch this video to learn more about the best restaurants in Atlantic City.